Hey everybody, today we're going to go through and I'm going to show you a couple of different options that you have when trying to combine data in Excel. So here in my spreadsheet, I've got a bunch of different items listed and I've got their item number along with the item description. And in my example, I'm trying to get both of these data points into the same cell so that I've got one cell that says the item number followed by the item description. We're going to start out by clicking into the cell that I want it to appear in, and then I'm going to type equals. And then I'm going to click on the first cell that I want combined. So in my example, it's going to be A2. From here, I'm going to add the AND symbol right here like this. And then it's time to click the second cell that I need added, which in my example is B2. I'm going to click enter. And you can see now that Excel has combined the two cells together into one. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different ways to customize this and change it up if this isn't exactly what you're looking for. But it's important to know before we go any further that if this is what you're looking for, you don't need to type this in every additional cell. You can just hold your cursor over the bottom right of the cell that we just typed this in. You'll see that it changes to this kind of black T symbol. And once that appears, you can just double click and now it will drag the function all the way down. So you don't need to keep writing this again. Now you might have a situation where you need to put a symbol between the two sets of data. For example, right now the item number is running right into the item description. And maybe I want to put a blank space or a hyphen or even a comma. In order to do that, I'm going to back up and I'm just going to start from scratch. I'm going to type equals, reference the first cell again. I'm going to type and here is where we're going to insert the symbol. Now anytime you want something inserted, you need to put it in quotations. So I'm going to do quotations, I'm going to type hyphen, and then I'm going to do the end quotes. I'm then going to type an and symbol again, and then I'm going to reference the second cell. I'm going to click enter, and you can see now that I've got both cells, but they're separated by a hyphen, which is perfect. And of course, if I needed a space added around the hyphen, I can just go inside the quotations again, add a space at the front and the end, and click enter, and then it will look something like this. Or if I wanted just a blank space between the two, I could just have a couple of blank spaces between the two quotation marks. Now using that and symbol is really effective if you've only got a couple of different cells that you need combined together. But there are instances where you've got several. For example, if I wanted to combine something like all of the different drink types into one, that would take me quite a bit of time to write the and symbol that many times and the spaces and everything that I would need in between. There's a function in Excel that makes this quicker, and that's equals concat, and then you just open the parentheses and drag over the area that you need combined. And you can see here that when I did that, it added all of the different drink types together. Now, if that seems like something that you're interested in or maybe need more than the and symbol, make sure to check out the video here. I've got a full video on it. It goes pretty quick and it's in depth and teaches you all the tips and tricks associated with the function. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like if you haven't already.